So this morning I have to get under my house because I'm having issues with my pump continuously running and not shutting off. So I have to see what is going on. We've got a story over here eating bugs. Alright. So there are my lines that go into my house, the hot water heater, and here's my pump. It's kind of dark here under the house, but I'm going to take off the inlet here and see if there's any sediment that's been stuck going into the pump, because I'm going to guess that's probably what it is that's causing it to not turn off. Let's see. Well, the screening in there doesn't look too dirty. So we might have to pull apart the whole pump and see what it is that's causing the problem. Because as of right now, I am not seeing any direct blockages in either side of the line. Okay, I take that back. So I took this off of my hose, which I really need a better way to filter out the sediment that comes out of the bottom of the barrel. But I took that out of the hose line, and there was quite a bit of gunk that came out of the hose just now. So maybe, hopefully, that was it. We'll plug it back up and we'll see if that fixes anything. I will say this much though, it is important to have something in your hose lines when you do this to make sure that you don't get any sediment buildup, because you definitely don't want that buildup getting inside of your pump. It will ruin your pump. Now we're going to plug the pump back in. The pump seemed to shut off, so that is a good sign. I will do a video soon on how to set up a pump like this on a 12-volt system. Very easy, but I will link that soon. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel to support me.